Vanguard 35 horsepower big block in a Scag Turf Tiger. If at the beginning of the season you can't get it to start after several months not running, or if you run this out of fuel, this is what you'll need to do. The fuel pump on this mower is a joke. It will not pump the fuel back up into the engine. It just can't do it. So what you need to do is you need to grab a pair of pliers, turn this hose so that you can see this clamp on the clamp with the pliers, pull this hose off. Be very careful. This is the fuel pump. This is a plastic nipple that the hose slides over. It will break easily. This top line runs into the fuel injection on the lawnmower. The second line on the bottom runs over and down into the top of the motor. That's not the line you want. This line here comes from your fuel tank, fuel filter, runs up into the fuel pump. What you need to do is you need to take that hose off, buy one of these, $4 at your hardware store, pump it full of fuel, stick it on the end of that hose and inject the fuel into the motor. Do that once. With this still on there, crank the mower for a while. Once it starts to fire, push a little more fuel in, put your hose back on, crank your mower over, it should fire. Again, I'm using this video. I could not find one on the internet, so I'm gonna put it out there for everybody. This is if you cannot get your Vanguard 35 horsepower big block started after a winter, or if you run it out of fuel, which is a huge no-no. Watch your gauges. Good luck. Thank you.